Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today is an update vlog, and I'm just going to be telling you about a series that will hopefully, I say hopefully, be coming up on the channel very soon. It's going to be The Unknown Mysteries of BlizzardClan. So I will introduce you to these customs, and there's nothing fancy about what I did to these cats. I took Littlest Pet Shops and I painted them. Yep. So these are the finished customs I have. Only 4, but I don't have too many more warrior cats, but I don't have too many more Littlest Pet Shop cats, but I did get 2 for Christmas. So, I'm thinking about using one as a queen and one as an apprentice. But this white cat here with the yellow eyes, really doesn't look like he has yellow eyes, but he does. This is BlizzardStar, the leader of BlizzardClan. What? That was a failed attempt at a accent. So just erase that out of your memory. It is horrible. Anyway, so this is BlizzardStar. This is his deputy, Maple Slip? No, Meadow Slip. She does have green eyes, but she has really dark green eyes. And she is the deputy. I can't remember if I said that. But yes, Meadowslip is the deputy. She's supposed to be a calico, but her colors aren't exactly with it. The front of her is gray, and then she has a black paw. This one right here is supposed to be a black foot, and then this one is supposed to be a white foot, but it looks more gray. So this is Meadowslip. And I'm also trying to use names that have never been used in the Warrior Cat series. This one here. This one's going to be Green Paw. She has a purple flower in her hair. The Littlest Pet Shop that I used to paint Green Paw as had a bow, and it was a flower, so I just painted it purple. She will have a sister named Silver Paw, but this is Gray Paw, not Gray Paw. I'm getting it mixed up. Oh my goodness. Green Paw. I gotta remember those eyes. They're green. That means she's green. She's Green Paw. Oh dear. But yes, this is Green Paw, and this is her brother, Brown Paw. So far, these are the only customs I've gotten finished. Over there I have some random Littlest Pet Shops, because I do have another channel I am thinking about doing like skits and stuff on with Littlest Pet Shops that I haven't painted into warrior cats. But this is BlizzardClan for right now. I do need to get the scenery made. I do have a tree, because I was gonna make a skit for my my Littlest Pet Shops channel. And well, it's almost 2 days after Christmas, and I didn't get that Christmas tree painted. So now it's just going to be a tree for the unknown mysteries of BlizzardClan. Sorry, you guys. A bit of a yawn coming on me. I'm sorry. But I hope you guys had an awesome Christmas, or should I say a paw, get it? Paw, as in a cat or a dog foot. Paw Christmas. And have a happy new year. I'm tripping over my words. It's been a while since I've recorded. And also, if you're not accustomed to warrior cats, if you don't know what warrior cats are, I definitely do recommend going to a few of our other videos with Warrior Cat Santo Tales, a few of the other Warrior Cat videos that I have produced, and also look it up, because it is a book series. If you are a bookworm, I definitely recommend you going and looking up Warrior Cats. And I have tons of Warrior Cat books, and one day I might go through them if you guys want me to. I did get a Warrior Cats book for Christmas, and a $30 gift card to Books A Million. So yeah, I like books. I like big books, and I cannot lie. I was kind of embarrassing. Oh well. So I hope you guys enjoyed greeting the cats of BlizzardClan. Just as a recap, Blizzard Star, the leader, Meadow Slip, the deputy, Brown Paw, an apprentice, and Green Paw, another apprentice, which is also Brown Paw's brother. Sorry about that. My mom came in from outside talking to, I don't know, probably one of her friends. But yes, this is BlizzardClan so far. I am working on the other customs. And, hope to see you guys later. BlizzardClan. I'm saying blizzard like a snowstorm. Blizzard, not buzzard like a bird that eats dead things. I'm Southern, so my words all sound alike. I can't pronounce words! Ah! But, the Unknown Mysteries of BlizzardClan ought to be coming out soon. Probably after the new year, because I gotta get all the scenes ready. Got to get the scripts, the words for the cats out. I might have to get a voice actor for the male cats, because I am a girl. I can't do deep male voices. Not really. I mean, I could try. But I would fail. I would fail, Blizzard Star. I would fail. Because he is a pretty big tomcat, you know. Gotta have a deep voice. Can't have a girl voice for him. You just can't. That would be wrong. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any ideas that aren't animations for other videos, then please feel free to comment them or suggest them in the comment section down below. If you like this video and you want to see more, please don't forget to slap that like thumbs up right in the face. Not right in the face. It doesn't matter. If you want to slap it in the face, go ahead. Or just click that subscribe button and then that notifications bell that will show up beside the subscription, or like when it says you're subscribed, then there will be a bell that will appear beside it, and that's the notifications tab. So if you like what you see, please like or subscribe, and always comment. Be nice in the comments, please. And I will see you guys later. Have a great New Year's and happy late or merry late Christmas or happy late holidays. Goodbye.